How to update Notion AI app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Notion AI app and unlock new features. To update the Notion AI app, you will need to simply update the Notion app itself, as Notion AI is an integrated feature within the Notion app. You will be able to update the Notion application on Play Store of your device. If you are using the Android device, you will need to simply open your Google Play Store, and if you are using the Apple device, you will need to open the App Store of your device. Now once you open the Google Play Store or the App Store, here I have launched my Google Play Store. Simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you will reach to this page. Here tap on the search bar at the top and there type in Notion AI. You may also just type in Notion. And once you have entered it, search for it, and then you'll be able to see the search results below. From here, you will need to tap on the app icon of the authentic Notion application, and you will reach to this page. Here, if the update is available, you will be able to see the update button in this interface. Simply tap on the update button and then wait until it gets downloaded and installed to the latest version. If in case you didn't see the update button, that means your app is already up to date. And after updating the application, simply tap on the open button and then you will be taken to the application. Once after updating the application, if you do not have the Notion AI features, you will be able to get them after this update. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your Notion AI application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.